Alright, we're leaving Monte Verde. It's been good. We've been here for 3 days. We got a lot done in 3 days. We're headed to Monte Zuma now. It's a beach town. We don't really know what we're gonna do yet, but we have plenty of time to figure it out. We got like a 3-hour drive ahead of us, so just gonna enjoy the scenic views and chill for a bit. I'm excited. Let's do it. Alright, I have no idea if this is actually recording me or not. I don't know what's happening. We're waiting in line right now because we have to take a ferry to wherever we're going. I asked Thomas if we're leaving the car here or we're not. So I'm assuming that the ferry's taking our car. I really don't understand. I'm kind of confused. I don't even know where he went. Some random man came and took him, so I'm just here alone. There's some man outside trying to sell me sunglasses, and he has like 10 sombreros on, so you know, that's also really interesting. I'll keep you updated. Alright, update. Thomas is back. The man pulled him away to buy a ticket for the ferry and also to sell him this towel. I don't know how to say nicely that we got ripped off. It was this is way too expensive, but you know when you can't speak Spanish and people are yelling at you, you just say what you gotta say. But it's cool. We'll put some plants on it maybe. We made it. Oh, you know, just casually driving off a boat. Per the usual. We leaving the boat. Finally back on our way to Monte Zuma. We made it. Monte Zuma. Checking into our hostel now. Alright, we're headed to the Monte Zuma waterfall. It's like one of the main attractions here. We got a little bit of a hike to get there, but it's pretty. It's nice to get out of the room for a bit. I'm excited. This is literally like our trail there. It's literally just in the fucking river. Woo! Yep, definitely almost just ate shit. Oh my god, it's so pretty though. I'm in love. Woo! Okay, I gotta walk. Oh, it's so pretty. Wow, that's cool. Whoa, the roots. That's super cool. There it is. Ooh. Monte Zuma waterfall, everyone. Oh, so pretty.